He's just sitting there.
That might be a YouTube video.
That might be America's Funniest Home video.
That'd be funny if he was actually on it. It's okay, little boy. Say hi to Daddy. Hello, boo. Good boy. Oh my gosh. Tara.
The right family.
If you email it to me,
Tara, let's go. Look out the window.
I can get it off my iPad from my
Good
email
boy.
and save it.
Yeah, the only way I can save it with or share it with Sam is to go on Google.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, my son. I'm home. I miss you. I'm proud of you.
I'm recording you.
Be good. Talk to you soon, I hope. Bye.
I got Mommy.
Taylor.
I'm trying. Yeah, my
Say bye, Bosco. Bye, Dudley. Say bye, Tara. Bye, Daddy.
You know,
Hey.